will share about reading. The title is her daily activities. Hello friends, in this channel, hoping you have a good condition mind. In this channel, I will tell you about my niece. Her name is Rivian. She is an island staff. She wakes up at 5 a.m. every day. After that, she has a breakfast, and then she takes a bath. Then she prepares before going to job every day. She goes to job at 7:15. For 30 minutes, she arrives at job at 7:45. At 8 a.m., she begins to work in serving some passengers in airports. She explains some information to passengers kindly. She is a friendly staff. Every day, she serves passengers patiently. She is in charge of ticketing divisions. Every day, she serves passengers patiently. She always helps passengers well. In the afternoon, she always has lunch in her office. She brings her food from house. She likes to cook before going to work every day. She cooks different menu. She also sometimes carries drinking such as milk, juice. Sometimes she brings fruits. At 1 p.m., she starts working again. She likes working teamwork with her friends in airports. She likes to keep communication and good relationship with passengers and friends in jobs. She has big responsible for her job. She has big motivation in working in order to serve passengers, company, and friends. At 5 p.m., she goes home. For 20 minutes, she arrives at home. She takes a bath at 5:15, and then she takes a rest for a while. At 7 p.m., she has dinner with her family, such as father and mother. At age 15, she watches TV until age 45. At 9 p.m., she sleeps. Okay, good. Okay, now we review, we listen, we study about the reading. And the next, there are 4 questions. There are 4 exercise about this reading. Jadi ada 4 latihan dari reading ini. The first, yang pertama yaitu you have to translate. Jadi ditranslate cerita ini ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Jadi nanti kita tahu, so we know about the meanings. Okay? And the second, yang kedua, so you have to review about the tense. Jadi di review tensesnya. For example, sebagai contoh, she takes a bath. Nah, she itu sebagai apa? Subjek, takes itu verb, bath itu jadi satu kesatuan. Nah, jadi itu kalimat apa? Kalimat positif. Oke. Ya. Jadi di review tensesnya. Contoh kalimat lain. She wakes up at 5 a.m. every day. Nah, she-nya sebagai subjek, wakes up-nya sebagai verb, at 5 itu keterangan waktu, at of time, Oke, the third question, the third exercise, jadi latihan yang ketiga, yaitu you have to make the sentence to be negative, interrogative, WA question. Ya, jadi yang ketiga harus membuat dari para cerita dari kalimat ini dibuat ke dalam bentuk negatif, interrogatif, atau WH question. Sebagai contoh tadi, she wakes up at 5 a.m. every day. Dia bangun jam 5 pagi. Nah, kalau negatifnya, she doesn't wake up at 5 every day. Seperti itu. Kalau interrogatifnya, does she wake up at 5 every day? Gitu. Terus kalau WH questionnya, what time does she wake up every day? Gitu. Then the fourth question, pertanyaan yang keempat, yaitu retell the story again by yourself in English. Ini pertanyaan keempat, ceritakan kembali reading ini dalam bentuk bahasa Inggris. Oke, jangan lihat teks. Oke, itu saja, mudah-mudahan bermanfaat. Good luck, thank you, bye-bye.
Wow.